TR150 is a new replacement model for the old IP110. This is the old IP110 and this is the new TR150. This new mobile printer comes with a lot of improved features compared to IP110. In terms of the design, as you can see, the design of the body is so different compared to IP110. It comes with a texture design, where our IP110 comes with a smooth design. It looks more elegant and you won't leave any fingerprint on the printer itself. Like IP110, TR150 also comes with a battery where you can charge and bring up the printer, print anywhere. And also TR150 comes with a high contrast OLED mono display where you can do all the settings directly on the printer itself. TR150 support amazing full A4 borderless printing like this, not just for A4 photo printing, but also it support for full borderless document printing. For example, like the head, invoices, or even a brochure like this.
TR150 comes with a battery. The installation of the battery is quite easy. Just put the battery to the printer and lock it. After install the battery, open the printer, then remove all protective materials from the printer. Now turn on the printer. I set the printer to English language, then select yes and press OK. I haven't charged my battery, so I will plug in the cable while setting up. Open up the printer cover. The cartridge holder will move to the center. First, install the printhead to the printer. Open up the packaging. Tear open the packaging from the side. Then take out the printhead. This is how the printhead looks like. Remove the orange printhead cover. Unlock the printhead lock lever with 2 fingers. Then install the printhead carefully to the printer. After that, remember to lock the printhead nicely. After install the printhead, take out the ink cartridge. This is the black ink cartridge. Tear open the packaging and take out the cartridge. Like the printhead, remove the orange seal cover. Then install the ink cartridge to the printer. Similar to the color cartridge, this is a dye ink based color cartridge. Remove the orange seal cover and install to the printer. Then close the printer cover. In this testing, I want to see how fast it prints a document. I will print out a normal form and measure with stopwatch. About 14 seconds, consider fast for this mobile printer. In this testing, I downloaded the TR150 brochure from Canon website. Instead of printing from PC, I save this brochure to the printer as a template file. From the printer driver, it provides the option of saving any printing file to the printer as template. I will save this brochure to the printer with the name as TR150 brochure. This is a new feature of mobile printer. User can store frequent documents as template for future printing. On the printer, press OK to access the setting menu. Then press the down arrow button to select custom template, press OK. In the custom template menu, I can find the TR150 brochure that I was saved. I select the file, press print template and print one copy of it. I have printed out 4 samples from the mobile printer. These are printed with standard quality, but the printouts are so beautiful and the color is so vibrant. I'm so amazed with the print quality of this mobile printer.
Thank you for watching my video today. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Bye!